guys, we're back at the Blue Note Grill, and we're going to be mixing for the Groovynators tonight. There's a band on stage right now. It's the house band, if you will. They are a frequent and local here. So we're waiting for them to get done, and once they get done, they're going to clear the stage. Then we're going to get up there and start setting up stuff for the Groovynators tonight. And we're going to be mixing on the house system.
You can hold it down, squeeze it tight. Mama, don't you tell these folks. Baby, don't you chew me rough about that time. Baby, don't you chew.
So we're marking the board ahead of time, like we always do.
Mama, don't you tear my clothes.
And having mixed for them, we know pretty much what the inputs are going to be, and we're going to rough in the board. As always, as a place to start. Roughing in settings again, and we're setting high pass filters on everything that needs a high pass. All the vocals get high pass filtering. The snare gets it. High tom, not the floor tom, not the bass, not the guitar. Sax will get it. We'll leave the keys alone. We're making sure that the 20 dB pad is not activated on any of the channels. Looks alright. So we're doing fan and power on a couple of mics. The snare and the ride. Okay, we're taking everything here out of stereo. And we're assigning stuff to subgroups. Okay, drums. Okay, we're leaving the bass in stereo. Guitar, instruments, yep. The sax, keys. All instruments, vocals. Subgroup number 1. Okay, we're gonna add some, get some reverb sort of dialed in. Once again, this is all, we're all roughing it in, and once things get started, we'll adjust it as needed. We're just rolling off the high end a little bit. Okay, a little bit of compression to start with. Once again, we're just roughing it in. All right, we're going to set a little bit of gain to get started. Okay, as well with the monitors. I think it's going to be in the mid. It's already in the mid. So Dennis is going to be in the left. A little bit of do that. Let's see here. Then everybody on the right. Okay, nice little bit. And now you can't see it here, but I'm turning up the main monitor volumes. We're setting everything to unity. We always start out on masters. We'll start out with everything in unity. Let's see here, a little bit of guitar. Alright. Now the lead singer and lead guitarist, he has in-ear monitors, so we're adding just a little bit of everything for his in-ears. So it's just a little bit. All right. Okay. All right, I think we're going to leave it at that. We're going to put the stage together, and we'll come right back. I didn't either.
I'm glad you are.
Alright, we've got most everything hooked up there. We're going to do something a little unorthodox. We're actually adding a floor tom mic into the mix. And let's move okay, we're moving the gate over to that floor tom. Anyway, the floor tom drum mic is here, but the rest of the drums are on the far left side here of the board. I'm going to try to do a quick line check here. Nothing in front of house. Okay, we're going to have actually about 900 hertz on the bass. Okay, and the lead singer here, Dennis, he's going to be, I think we're going to start with the guitar, looks like. One of the challenges of mixing slow songs with a lot of people in the room is still try to maintain the intimacy of the song. So you may have to watch the faders. Make sure that if somebody's soft, they come over the crowd noise.
When the foghorn blows, I'll be coming home.
See, there was the lead singer, one of the keys down in his in-ears. So I said, you always got to pay attention to what's going on the stage. Okay, and during the break, the whole purpose of the subgroups here is we really don't need to touch any of the faders. So we got a, there we go, we got a place to start right here with everything, and so all we got to do is just turn down the subgroups. These are the vocals, these are the drums, these are instruments. They're down. When they're ready to start up, all we do is just start with the 3 faders here. Other than that, all this stuff, we don't touch any of this stuff here.
Come on and raise your head. I wanna raise your head. Yeah, thank you so much. No, I got the best thing in town now, baby. Seen all that I wanna see now, baby. Bring your love straight to me now, baby. Right below. Could your eyes have a mist from the smoke of a distant fire? Do your eyes have a mist from the smoke of a distant fire? Could your eyes have a mist from the smoke of a distant fire? Could your eyes have a mist from the smoke of a dead? It's working against me.
Okay, just like before, you need to make sure that you keep the intimacy of the music. Nobody's too loud, but nobody's too soft either. And the challenge is to keep it that way over the crowd noise.
Twice as much, ain't twice as good. Can't sustain back around. Said now give me one reason to stay here. Oh, and I'll turn right back around. I don't wanna leave you lonely. Ooh, you gotta make me change my mind.
Alright guys, that's the show. The great crowd tonight. The band has always sounded great. The board did good. Anyway, we hope to be back here soon. Thanks for watching.